XL London is well connected via the DLR and 2 stations, Custom House and Prince Regent. They are both in Zone 3 and directly serve the XL campus with up to 12 trains an hour. The Jubilee line and the DLR are often the quickest routes to the XL Centre. Jump off at Canning Town on the Jubilee line and change onto a Beckton-bound DLR train for the quick 2-stop journey to XL. And if you're travelling from East London, you could take a DLR from Stratford, changing at Canning Town. You can also travel from Central and North London by connecting with the DLR at Bank, which is served by Northern, Central, District and Circle lines. Check out the DLR site or app for the best routes and typical journey times. Always allow plenty of time for unexpected delays.